the server to be a domain controller in domain controller, and you'll choose the one with the brand, and we'll click for disaster recovery mode. For Active Directory. So we'll just go ahead and use the same password. And as far as the forced functional level goes, when it says Windows Server, it refers to Windows Server 2019. When you have 2012, 2008, etc., then those are older versions as well. However, at this time, Microsoft's not showing any difference between 2016 and 2019 when it comes to the forced functional level. I'm sure at a future date that will change. And we'll leave the other options checked and click Next and Next. And it's going to choose the default NetBIOS name, which will probably be Test here once it's done. That's just the first part of the name. You can certainly change that to something else if you want, although it does make things confusing if you do. And we'll choose the default, Next. And as long as we don't get any red X's here, you can safely ignore any yellow exclamation, triangles, or anything like that, which of course you're always going to have. And it looks like our install button is lit up, so we can go ahead and choose install. This part of the procedure should take no more than, say, 5 or 10 minutes. If it takes more than 30 minutes, then you probably have something has gone wrong, and you should just cancel out of it, go into your server manager, and go to your tools event logs or event viewer and see what possibly went wrong in the logs. Now what happens is it's going to automatically restart all on its own, which is fine. So just go ahead and let it restart, and then we'll pick it up from there. So when we log back in, instead of logging in as just administrator, we're logging in as test/administrator, because test is the name of our NetBIOS name, which is part of our fully qualified domain name of test.internal. So what it does is it takes the first part of your fully qualified domain name of test.internal, and it takes